Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to create a quantity-based cart discount in WooCommerce. For this example, we'll create a rule, get $20 off when buying at least 6 items. You can see it right now on the screen. Let's set it up step by step. Go to WooCommerce, Settings, Dynamic Discounts, then click Add New Rule. This will open the rule configuration page where we can create a new discount. Check Enable this discount rule so the rule can start working on your store. In the rule name field, enter $20 off when buying 6 plus items. From the discount type, choose Cart Adjustment. For this example, we want the discount to apply to all products in the store, so we don't need to add any filters. Scroll down to the discount settings, set the discount type, Fixed Discount, enter the value. This means $20 will be deducted from the total cart value. Type the title discount. I will show you later on. Scroll down to the Rules section. Add the condition cart item quantity greater than or equal to 6. This means the discount will only apply when the customer adds at least 6 items to the cart. Next, we have the discount bar option. Enable it to display a notification bar to inform customers that a discount has been applied. Then click Save Rule. Now let's test it on the storefront. Add some items to the cart. View the cart. As you can see, no discount applied. And now I will increase the number of products. Update the cart. Now the discount is triggered. We get a $20 discount when we buy 6 items. And this label appears because we have entered it while creating the rule. And that's how you can create a quantity-based cart discount in WooCommerce. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.